Hello, USD 3D3 remote learners. I am so excited to welcome you to our family orientation nights. Thank you for joining us to learn more about what this school year will look like. I wanted to just share a quick overview and welcome with you. My name is Dr. Lucas Shivers. I get to serve as your administrator this year. My email is there. I want to offer 5 strengths to you that are personal that I want to bring to our team. I have a belief that we can do this. We know that it is hard. We know that it is new and challenging, but we believe we can create a sound model to give your student the very best education possible in these times. The second, we want to offer you clear and consistent communication that is to the point and two-way, so always reach out if you have any questions. The third is focus. We're going to find the competencies and the skills that are essential for your student, and we're going to be able to promote those in really dynamic lessons and instructional episodes. We are constantly learning ourselves, so we are learners in this together, and we want to be positive to find a way forward. I've been with this district, USD 3D3, since 2013. I've served as Director of Elementary Education, meaning I get to work with over hundreds of educators and thousands of students, and I'm delighted to be able to now transition into this role supporting our remote learners. We have a team of over 40 educators and over 900 students that are learning together in this setting. One of my philosophies that I just want to share with you up front is based on the adaptive leadership principles from the Kansas Leadership Center. There's 4 steps in this process. The first is being able to diagnose a situation. We have to have context and understanding to be able to make some decisions. The second is to manage ourselves. We want you as families and students to be ready to give your very best. You need to know your vulnerabilities, your triggers, your strengths, what you can offer, and manage yourself. So take care of yourself overall. The third step is energizing others. We want to have a positive influence where we can teach and learn together in a really great place. And the fourth step is intervening skillfully. We want to find the very best wisdom and practical understandings that we can offer to make this year really successful for you and your student. We know that earlier in the summer you received a little information from our district on our reopening plan, and we are so thankful that you chose the remote learning option. It has allowed us to make our on-site program with small sizes so that we can manage those students in a safe place on-site. We know that you stepped up big to be able to do this, and we just say we appreciate and we are privileged to work with your students and families in the remote learning option. Later on in the summer, you learned a little bit more from the Building Foundations for a Strong Reopening plan that our district released. And all of this is built on guidance from our State Department of Education in a document that's over 1,000 pages long called Navigating Change. So we are doing our best to meet all of our guidelines and requirements and offer you as families the very best education possible. I am so privileged to work with a team of more than 40 educators. Just want to quickly show you a few quick pictures of them. We have classroom teachers as well as specials who are able to offer you music, art, STEM, and PE, in addition to special ed and MTSS teachers who will make this experience a wraparound service to give you the very best that we have to offer. So we're delighted and privileged to work with you. I hope that this year we can say that we're about to walk into the greatest school year of your life. With your support and your work together, we think we can make that happen. So thank you for attending our orientation tonight. If you have any questions, be sure to follow up, but we'll give you more time with your teachers. Thanks again.